Hello students, standard 6th. Chapter number 8 was started, the decimals, in which we learned the basic facts about the decimal. The decimal means the number using the decimal point. We learned the place of the tenths, which is coming after the decimal point, and its place value is 1 upon 10, means 1/10. So when we make 10 parts and take one part out of each, that each part is known as 1/10. We also learn how to put the numbers in the place value table, also learn how to write down them in the decimal form if it is given in the word form, etc. Now let us start exercise 8.1, in which question 1 is very simple, in which some blocks are drawn. Just you have to count how many tens, how many ones, and then how many tens, and according to that you have to write down in the table given. So that you will write down yourself. Very simple that. We are going to do the question number 2. It says that write the following decimals. Write the following decimals in the place value table. In the place value table. So now in the place value table, let's see, it is up to hundreds. So now we will draw the table, in which first we will take hundreds, but before that we need to write down that number. Then hundreds, tens, ones, and then tenths. And here is the given number. So now we will take the numbers one by one and then write down them using the place value table. First number is 19.4. First number is 19.4. And as I explained you, start from the last digit. After decimal point there is 4. So 4 is the tenths place. So 4 will be written at the 4 tenths. Then ones place means the first point before the decimal point, that is 9. So 9 ones and 1 tens. There is no digit in the hundreds place. So hundreds means 100, tens 1, and that is 1 upon 10. The next number is 0.3. So in this way, you can see that only the 3 is given and no other, no ones, no tens, no hundreds. So you can put the dash, or you can put 0 also, not a problem. Third digit is 10.6. So in 10.6, 6 is in the tenths place. 0 is in the ones place. Here you have to write down 0. And 1 in the tens place. So here also it is 0.3, so you can write down 0 here, not a problem. And the last number is 205.9. 205.9. So here 9 is in the 10th digit, tens place, then 5, 0 is in the tens place and 2 is in the hundreds place. So be careful when you write down them. Don't start from the left to right, but start from right to left, because after the decimal point number will be in the last column and so on. If you start from this side, you will write down the wrong answers. Now next question 3. Question 3 said that write each of the following as decimals. Each of the following as decimals. In that first one, 7/10. 7/10. Now we know that 7/10 means 7 upon 10, but we have to write down as decimals. So decimals will be 0.7, because there is no ones or tens or hundreds digits, only the 7/10. So we will write down as 0.7. Second one is 2/10 and 9/10. 2/10 and 9/10. Here also be careful, there is no ones place. So here 2/10, that is 2 multiplied by 10 plus 9/10 means 9 upon 10, and that is 20 plus 0.9, that is 20.9. Because there is no number in ones place, so 20 will be there. C. In C, that is 14.6. They written as point. 14.6. So that is very simple, written as 14.6. Nothing difficult. D. 102 ones. 102 ones. Now here you can see that there is no tenths point, but we must use the decimal point also, because we have to convert it into decimals. So no tenths means we will put after point we put 0. So 102 ones. So 100 plus 2 ones plus 0 tenths, because tenths is not given. So we will write down 102.0. As we have to put the decimal, then if there is no tenths place, we have to write down 0. So 102.0 like that. E. 600.8. 600.8. Very simple. 600 means 600 means 600. 0.8 means 0.8. So 600.8 is written as like that. So now question number 4. Write each of the following as decimals. Also here, write each of the following as decimals. Here in the different form are given, and we have to write down using decimals. So here 5 upon 10. Very simple. 5 upon 10 means 0.5. 1 upon 10 is 0.1. 2 upon 10 is 0.2. 3 upon 10 is 0.3. Then what is 5 upon 10? 0.5. B. In B it is 3 plus 7 upon 10. So now 3 plus 7 upon 10 is 3. Then that is 7 upon 10 is 0.7. As 5 upon 10 is 0.5, 7 upon 10 is 0.5. But here already 3. Therefore it is 3.7. 3.7. Third one, 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1 upon 10. So first we will add this 260 and 5. That is 265 plus 1 upon 10. And therefore, now 1 upon 10 is 0.1. So it is 265.1. So whatever is there, we have to add them. 200 plus 60 plus 5. That is 265. And plus 1/10 means 0.1. Then the D. D says 70 plus 8 upon 10. And that is very simple, 70.8. Then E. 88 upon 10. Now 88. Here we will separate them. Means 80 plus 8 upon 10. And that will be like 80 upon 10 plus 8 upon 10. Here zeros are cancelled. So 8.8. So answer is 8.8. F. In F it is 4 integer 2 upon 10. Now 4 integer 2 upon 10, that can be separated as 4 plus 2 upon 10, and that will be 4, and 2 upon 10 is 0.2. So it is 4.2. Then G is 3 upon 2. Now here we can express the number in decimals only when there is 10 in the denominator. So now we have to find the equivalent fraction of this number such that there is 10 in the denominator. What is here in the denominator? 2. So with which number we must multiply it to get 10? 5. So we will multiply it with 5 upon 5. And that is 3 5s are 15 upon 10. And that will be like 10 plus 5 upon 10. I mean 10 plus 5 upon 10. So that is 10 upon 10 plus 5 upon 10. 10 upon 10 is gone 1. The 1.5. Now H, I and J are very simple. You can write down yourself H, I and J. You can write down in your homework, in which the 5 is in the denominator and 2 in the denominator, and it is in the mixed number. So you can easily do whatever like that. Now question number 5. Write the following decimals. as fractions, and then we have to reduce the fraction to lowest form. Reduce the fractions to the lowest form. So here some numbers, decimal numbers are given, and then we have to convert them in the fraction form and then in the reduced form or the lowest form. First one is 0.6. We know that 0.6 means 6 tenths, means 6 upon 10. Now 6 is 2 threes are, 10 is 2 fives are, and so your answer is 3 upon 5. So 6 tenths means 6 upon 10, and then the lowest form. Second, 2.5. Now let me explain you a shortcut. Generally what we are doing, we write down 2 and then 5 upon 10. Then what we are going to do, multiply 2 by 10 upon 10. That is 20 upon 10 plus 5 upon 10. Then 20 plus 5 upon 10, that is 25 upon 10. It is a long method. So now I will show you a very nice method. Whenever there is one digit after decimal point, so here 2.5 is there. If you take out the decimal point, what is 25? And then put 10 in the decimal. Very simple. So 25 upon 10. And then 5 5s are 25. And 2 5s are 10. So the lowest form is 5 upon 2. Or you can write down in the mixed fraction as 2 integer 1 upon 2. Third one, see. 1.0. As I told you, if you take out point, it is 10. And obviously 10 upon 10. 0 is 10, 1s are 10, cancel. So answer is 1. Because 1.0, there is no digit in the tens place. So only 1. D. In D it is 3.8. And as I explained you here, in place of 3.8 we will write down 38. Then 110 means 38 upon 10. Now 19 2s are 38 and 5 2s are 10. 19 upon 5. Now it is improper fraction. So 5 3s are 15. How many remaining? 4. So 3 integer 4 upon 5. Then E. Then E. E is 13.7. So here also if you take out the point, 137 and then 10. Now they don't have any common fractions, factors, because 137 is neither divisible by 5 or 2, because factors of 10 are 5 and 2. So that is the, but we can convert it into the mixed fraction. 10 1s are 10, 3 10, 3s are, no, 137, yeah. So 13 integer 7 upon 10. F. In F it is 21.2. So if you take out the decimal point, it is 212 and upon 10. So now 212 is 106 multiplied by 2, and it is 5 upon 2. So that is 106 upon 5, which can be written as 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 1 remaining. So 21 integer 1 upon 5. And the last G is 6.4. That is 64 upon 10. So now 32 2s are and 5 2s are 10. So it is 32 upon 5. 5 6 are 30. 2 remainder. So 6 integer 2 upon 5. So as I told you, don't write down like that. You have to write down like this. That when you take out the point, then put 10 down. And therefore it will be easier. Then you just cancel the same factors. So here we are going to finish the session, and it will be followed by PDF file. Any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.